With the side panel on the Windows one, it's just downed in by 2 thumb screws. When you have a look inside the case, you see the CPU fan, which is held in by 1 clip here and 1 clip there. Basically all you need to do is push down on the clip and pull out. It can be a little bit fiddly, but once you've got one off, the CPU fan will come away. Now what I think has happened in your case is the CPU itself has come out a little bit in transit, and it might be stuck to the bottom of the CPU fan. If it has, just slide it across and it'll come out. Be careful not to bend any of the pins. Now if you have a look at the socket again, there, just make sure this arm is lifted up, and you see a couple of notches, one there, one there, one there, one there. Now they match up to the CPU. You see the vacant spaces there. They just need to realign the CPU fan, so the CPU, with the prongs, and that will, if you just carefully line it up, don't force it, and it just nicely slot in. Just make sure it's in, make sure the arm is down, and that's okay. Now the fan, we can put the fan back on then. Okay, like I said, just downed in by a couple of clips. Just get these wires out of the way. Okay, just downed in by a couple of clips. It's hard to do with one hand, but the clips just go there, and they fasten on to there. So you just do the one side first. Okay, just push that one